What's going on, guys? Today we're going to do an oil change on my 2010 Mazda 3. I'm going to step you guys through it. My car is placed on ramps. Make this a little bit easier. You can use jacks and jack stands if you prefer. Okay, first you're going to want to grab your drip pan and slide it underneath the vehicle. Okay, next you're going to want to locate your oil plug and loosen this with the 17mm wrench. I had already pre-loosened it, so pull this out, make sure you got your crush washer. Let the oil drain. I let it drain for probably 5 to 10 minutes. Okay, after your oil is done draining, after 5 to 10 minutes, you're going to reinstall your drain plug with a new crush washer. Get that finger tight. Then you want to snug it up. You don't want to go too tight, just snug. There you go. You're then going to move forward, and then inside this cutout you have your oil filter. Then with the proper oil filter wrench, you're going to find your filter, loosen it, and drain it. Once it's mostly drained, you're going to totally remove it. Okay, once that's drained, you're going to take your new filter and take some old oil. You're going to put some on the seal here. It just kind of creates a better seal. And reinstall and hand tighten it. And I give it a quarter turn past the hand tighten stage. This Mazda 3 has a 2-liter engine, so it takes 4.5 US quarts if you do it with a filter replacement. So what I do is I take the bottle and mark 0.5 because it's 5 quarts, so 4.5. Okay, next you locate the filler cap in the back of the engine here. Open that up, put your funnel in. Next, make sure you're on a level surface. Then you go ahead and start filling your oil. 4.5 quarts. And my particular motor takes 5W20. So you got a little more than a quart to go. See, I'm down to half a quart left in the bottle. It's kind of okay. Next, you remove your funnel, reinstall the plug or the cap. Next, you're going to check your oil level. Clean it up once first. As you can see, right at the top of the fill line. Perfect. Next, you can drop your hood. And start your car up, and she's ready.